What's up, y'all? So I knew I should have grabbed the camera so y'all could see what the color looked like before, but it's a little darker now. DIY purple shampoo. You don't need food coloring. All you need is some blue soap, some blue dish soap or any blue soap, and something that'll make purple, blue or purple. Some blueberries, some frozen blueberries. That's what I use. Just put it in here. I blended up the blueberries, as you can see. And I just poured the blueberries that were blended in here. I put a little water in there. Probably too much water, but and then I put some soap in there and then mixed it up. And as you can see, it's in my hair. Now you can't see, it's a little purple. The camera ain't showing it very well, but yeah, if you want it to be darker, like, you know, just try to get it to be more purple. You probably need more blueberries, but that's all you need. And it's darker than it was, so maybe because I'm not sure if I want to keep this color, so I don't know. Let's see. This is an impromptu video. I started to show y'all what I was doing with my hair because I just did a color remover for the first time. Because I tried coloring my hair purple with this, and this is false advertisement because my hair is basically black. I'll insert a video with a purple hue, and you couldn't even see it in the sun. Like, it would just be, you couldn't see it. It was just, I was like, really? So yeah, this is the color remover I used. And it was like, I left it in like much longer than they said. So, I mean, they said leave it in for the top amount of time is 60 minutes. I left it in for 2 hours. Don't follow me. Don't do it. If you were daredevil like me, do what you want to do. But, you know, I got something that came in clutch the first time I damaged my hair. F.O.G. This is a miracle worker, okay? So I just got the shampoo. I don't have a conditioner, but I have this conditioner. But that's not the same conditioner that comes with the kit, and I already used this a long time ago. So yeah, so there you go. So I'm back again. I look crazy, y'all. I'm trying to get my hair a specific color, so that's why I removed the dye. Yeah, but it was a little brighter than this, so I'm gonna wash it again and see how it turns out. I left it in so long because it was orange, and I didn't want my hair to be orange. And it's still orange, but it's like a pastel orange, kind of. I don't know if I'm cute enough to rock this, but I'll probably try something. Because I had orange hair before a long time ago. And that was an accident, but I rocked with it. But I had way more hair. I had a big fro. So. It's my most popular video. It's the the DIY hair lightener. Yeah, so I'm about to put some more shampoo in my hair so y'all can see. I want y'all to know that this literally came to my head. So if you see somebody else say blueberries or any fruit and blue dish liquid, they got it from me. I meant to add apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar brings the results faster. Makes it work faster. Basically makes it stronger. So, and you also get the benefit of strengthening your hair with the ACV. So all over the place. But yeah, I just wanted to do that real fast. See what happens. Alright, so yeah, that's it. I'm just so glad my hair ain't like falling out. Thank goodness. I was scared. But yeah, I don't want to talk too long, so there you go. Impromptu video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe. Thumbs up. And if you wonder what type of content I give, I'm a singer, like a real singer. Like I do music. Go listen to my music. Like I sing for real. You don't have to worry about me like not singing for real or not liking my music. So it's mainly about music, but I'm Dasianae, so I'm gonna do whatever Dasianae wants to do. So yeah, but you can expect some more style videos and whatnot coming. If you went to style, you can go check out the most recent video I put up about my hats. And yeah, so it's a variety of things coming, and I do reactions to old songs and stuff like that. Not current artists, so don't ask. And yeah, thanks for watching. All right, okay. Oh yeah, and you'll probably see me down my hair more if I remember to grab the camera. So yeah, all right, peace out. Or some other kind of fruit that'll make it purple. So as you can see, it's darker. And yeah, you still see the blueberry specks. That's gonna have to be washed out over time. I'm not finna be tripping over that. But I didn't have a strainer, so that's why I didn't strain it. So if you have a strainer, strain it. Or if you have like stockings or, you know, something that you could just make sure that the blueberry specks don't get in there. Yeah, what was I gonna say? I forgot, but hopefully I remember. Yeah, so there it is. And right now I have the Afro G curl treatment in, which I have to wash out, and then I'll continue with some more treatments, some other products and stuff. Yeah, so don't worry about me. But yeah, let me know if it works for y'all and how y'all like it. All right, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe.
From the chandelier, everything looks better up here. Take me from the pain at home. I'm trying to be, I guess, fair. Do what's considered right.